This right here is my work truck. This thing runs really badly. The engine runs really bad, so I cannot go anywhere with it running like that. It's like it's got a misfire, but I'm not really sure what it has. But let's go take a look with the scan tool data. I got the Innova 5610. Let's go inside the vehicle and take a look at the scan tool data. Okay, this right here is a 2019 Ford F150. When you accelerate it, it hesitates and the engine really shakes under acceleration. Right now it's taking it, then it shakes. Now it's not going. I got my foot on the accelerator and the engine is really shaking. So check engine light is on. Let's take a look at the data and see what kind of code that we have on this guy. We'll go from there. So this is the code that I have, P0108 manifold absolute pressure sensor. Then looks like it's 6 codes. It's the same thing. Then intake air temperature sensor 2. This, it looks like it's a load problem. The engine doesn't know what kind of load that it's got. When you accelerate it, of course, you increase the load. Now, let's go to live data. I'm gonna take a look at the live data, specifically the load. So calculated load right here. So when I accelerate it, it goes up, and it doesn't look like it's calculating it that well. It moves, we got some data in there, but definitely not enough. It's not really accurate. I guess it's more likely an issue with the sensor. I'm gonna take a look at that sensor and do a visual inspection on the wiring and make a determination. But right now, the load I'm putting on this vehicle, every time I accelerate it, it doesn't look like it's being calculated well. Let us go take a look at the sensor. This is the map sensor here on top of the engine. This is it right there. It looks like the wires look fine. The connector, I disconnected it earlier, they look fine. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this sensor and see what happens, if the load will be calculated better now, and we'll go from there. Now, okay, I got an OEM sensor back in there. The sensor is original. I didn't delete the code yet, so let's go ahead and delete these codes. I want to do that with key on, engine off. Then let's hit erase and erase DTC. Erase was successful. So let's see if the check engine light will go away. Check engine light is flashing. It's flashing back there. Looks like it still stays solid. Let's go ahead and try to start it up. Check engine light is gone, but I still see this code here. Let's go to live data, and I'm going to try to accelerate it again. Yep, that's much better now. It's going. It looks like load. Yep, it accelerates better now. It does not stutter, it goes. Then calculated load, it's going according to my acceleration. Yep. This right here, a bad map sensor That's what it caused, because the engine doesn't know how to calculate the load, and every time you accelerate and every accessory put a different load on the engine, and it doesn't know how to calculate it, and when you accelerate, the vehicle started. It's like a misfire. It shudders and stuff, and then it hesitates, and that's how you fix that. And I use the data here using my Innova 5610.